What's up guys, welcome to my first video of 2024. Happy New Year, and I hope all of your wishes, goals and dreams come true in 2024 and you work hard to get them. Now in this video I want to sit down and kind of update you guys on my plans for the year, as it's been a while since I've done a channel update and I kind of miss this communication, this direct way of talking to you. And I really rely on you to comment down below with everything you have to say concerning the topics of today's video. I really need your feedback and many of the things I'm doing because you are the ones that I'm doing it for, so of course your opinion always matters. Now with that said, I have a couple of goals and a couple of updates that I want to share with you for the upcoming year. Hopefully we can make all of these things happen, and I'm doing this video not only to share that information to you and have that discussion hopefully in the comments, but also to hold myself accountable, because I want to really take action in this year. I don't want to just think about things and never getting to doing them. I want to let you know what I have planned and kind of stick to it and, you know, be serious about this, because this year I want to work more than ever. I want to make things happen and I want to give you guys great videos to watch. And that leads me to my first goal of 2024, which is going to be hard to pull off, but I will do my best, and that is to consume less YouTube and create more YouTube. Because lately I've been falling a little bit into this trap of consuming a lot of YouTube videos, and it's so easy to fall into that trap, watching so many different things on YouTube. All of your hobbies and all of your interests are here. You can learn so much, but that obviously gives you less time to be creative. That kind of limits your vision in a way, so you don't create as much and you're not as motivated to create yourself because you're always watching other people's creations and videos. So obviously I want to get away from that, and I will do my best to do that. And I already know how I will be able to do that, and that is to kind of bury myself in work. And I have a good idea how to do that, because I'm planning to release a drone course in 2024, something that I'm extremely passionate about, extremely excited as well, because it will pack pretty much all of my brain into one course. Everything I know about drones, everything there is to know about techniques, filming, editing, flying, all the things I know will be packed into this course, and it will take a massive chunk of time to create this course. And obviously I'm extremely excited to do that, but I know it will be a lot of hard work involved, but that doesn't scare me at all. I'm excited to share everything I know. So drop a like below if you are excited about the Drone Supremacy course. I still need to figure out a really good fitting name for the course, but it will come with time. The next thing which I want to focus on in 2024 is to spread the word about my digital assets, my LUTs and presets, which have been receiving some very positive reviews, and I'm super happy to hear that many of you are so happy with the LUTs. Mostly the LUTs are the things that are the top selling products that I have, but also the presets for Lightroom. But nowadays people don't shoot as many photos as they used to before, because Instagram is just a pain in the ass. But with the LUTs mostly, I've been receiving some very positive feedback and very nice comments about them, and I want to focus a little bit more on spreading the word about them, because I sell them at a pretty low price and I want more people to get them, more people to know about them and to use them, and hopefully to get better results in their own footage. I'm definitely not doing it out of greed or out of, you know, desire to earn a lot of money. I don't want that. I just want to enable people to have good results straight away with a click of a button by using my LUTs, and of course get something out of them, because I put a lot of time into developing these LUTs, so of course that makes sense. The next thing which I've already been working on for the past couple of months is uniform my content so I can have a very distinctive style in my videos, so you know it's my video when you see it, in a way that has the transitions, the animations, the text, the overlays, everything flows together and has my name written on it. That's kind of like developing my own style, and it takes a lot of time to not only develop the style but also to find your style first, because I've always been experimenting with different things, and it takes time to really find the one thing that you really like. So I'm still doing that, I'm still working that, but I'm having some thoughts about that, and I'm planning some more things to uniform my content and make everything more cohesive, more, uniformed, and everything that just tied together, that has that drone supremacy look to it. Something else which I want to do more of this year is to film more outside. Now, this is the reason why I got this Osmo Pocket 3, because it allows me to never leave the house without my vlogging setup, which is ridiculously easy to use. And honestly, I want to kind of break away from my little safe bubble, which for me is my studio, which is where I always enjoy filming. I feel safe, I feel relaxed, but at the same time, I realize it does kind of get boring sometimes to always shoot all of your videos in the exact same location. Even if you shoot with different angles, different lights, different things, it's still inside the studio. So this is why I want to kind of break away from this bad habit, if I can say that, and challenge myself to film a little bit more outside. And I don't mean that just in my car, which is the next safe bubble that I have, but also outside in public, which understandably is not the most ideal setting for me to shoot in. However, sometimes it really makes sense for me to shoot outside, especially when I am taking you with me to test another drone or check out a new feature, something else that I want to try out. It just makes sense to use my camera outside while I'm doing that and show you things as they happen. That makes the video a lot more authentic, I believe, and also a lot more enjoyable for the viewer. So because of that, I want to challenge myself and do that more this year. So that's kind of my plan, at least for this Osmo Pocket 3, to be used a lot more and a lot more regularly outside, and hopefully bring you another side of me which maybe you haven't seen that much on this channel. I think that will be a great new change. Now, there are two more things remaining besides the obvious one, that I want to give you the best videos I can. That goes without saying, and of course I'm not going to mention that even. But the first thing is to collaborate with brands and people that I admire. And this is extremely important for me, as I think collaborating with different, not only companies, but with different creators, gives me that boost every single time when I do it. Gives me that, great feedback, great vibe of being able to work together with people across the globe, people whose work I admire, and to be able to collaborate them is something that I always feel super happy about. So I'm going to focus on that a little bit more, so I can hopefully bring you more content with different people from different countries, whether that's in a virtual form or me traveling to them or they traveling here to me. I'm going to try to make that happen because I think it's going to be great for the channel. And of course, when it comes to brands, there are always brands that I like. There are always brands that I want to work with and think about doing something and providing you with some good videos to watch. And if I can do that by growing the channel, if I can be able to get those bigger brands and work with them, that will be even more insane. So hopefully we can make that happen. Now, the last thing, which is only last on my list, but it's actually the first in my mind, and that is to focus on mental health. And I want to find that perfect balance between working my ass off here in the studio, providing you with the best videos I can, but also focusing on some alone time, finding some time for myself, being fit, working out. As you might know, I'm very active in the past couple of months on going to the gym because I've been boxing, and I want to focus on improving when it comes to boxing. I want to get better. I want to, obviously, most importantly, spend a lot of quality time with my family. I have a little girl, so I want to be there for her, and I want to spend time with my wife and her. And I want to find some time to really shut down my brain when it comes to thinking about work and creating videos, and to focus on family, because that's obviously the most important thing in the world. And finding the balance is always the challenge, but this year more than ever, I want to find that balance, because I don't want to burn out, and I don't want to be absent from the important moments from life. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys get a clear picture of what you can expect. I know I didn't give you very precise information what you can expect, but you already know what you can expect. I've been active on YouTube for 6 years already, so you kind of know the deal with me. I am trying to give you the best videos I can by being informative, by giving you some good tips, and obviously giving you the best possible looking videos I can. So that's my goal, is being extended in 2024 again, with all of these values being implemented in my videos. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys will stick around for the year to come. I have so many amazing things planned that hopefully I'll be able to share with you soon. Some of them are coming sooner than later, others are coming a little bit later in the year, but yeah, very exciting stuff, and hopefully you will be on board for that. Thank you so much for your support. It's been absolutely amazing, a dream come true, like I always like to say, to do this for a living. Thank you so much once again. Happy New Year and stay safe. Talk to you soon. Ciao.